Well, it's a lot more carved out and defined than it was. I think there's an inherent need by people who are in the infantry to dig. I don't know. There's just something kind of satisfying, especially in this kind of soil, where it holds its shape. No, I got kind of, this is where the waterfall is going to go. And so what I'm trying to do is create lift points for the rocks to sit on, even under the liner. And in here, now I've created a ledge because I only have my 16 inches of width. Let's see if we can get to it, where we can see into it. And there it is, there's the ledge. And boom, 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 boom. Giving me 16 inches of lift, which is going to give me a little bit of height out here. And then, so I should get a couple drops, at least. Now you have to imagine this is going to be full of water too. And what I'm hoping is to create, because this is going to be covered by a slab, that maybe, create a good place for frogs, amphibians, or whoever's. I don't know. I have no idea if it's going to be good or bad for them. But they're welcome to try it. And I don't know if any of all this contouring is going to make any bit of difference. Am I going to make any of it make a difference when I get the liner here? I don't know. But you know what? If you don't experiment, I'm guaranteed failure if I don't try. Right? I am guaranteed failure if I don't try. I will get closer to what it is I'm trying to hopefully have by trying it than if I never tried it at all. And so I'll just make adjustments as I go. It's no big. This looks like a Star Wars action playset. It's just like Beggar's Canyon back home. Yeah, liner will be here in a couple hours. And we'll be ready to start dropping it in.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Okay, well the liner got here and it is a perfect fit. Look at that. Almost no adjustment necessary whatsoever. I'm just kidding. All I did was take it out of the box so far and try as best I can to stretch it over the top. And so yeah, I guess it's supposed to be 13 by 20. And I sure as hell hope I got enough. I should have just enough. And we'll see what happens. I will do some work and I'll check back in just a little bit. We are able to answer the primary question of, is it big enough? And yes, it is. It is. So yeah, I spread it out across and then just kind of got on top, keeping one edge where the edge should be, and then just kind of worked my way through. I wanted to make sure critically that I had enough to be able to do the waterfall. I think the waterfall is the most critical feature. And the contouring that I did is going to be useful. I'm going to be able to utilize it. So it was worth doing it, absolutely. Because these are going to create flat spots, that are higher that I can build on now. Whereas if I did sloped sides without the shelves, I wouldn't be able to do that as well. Don't have as many options. And I put them all around. So I've got shelves all the way around. And the back now is only going to go to, let's see, how do I show you that? Where the crease is, right there, under the shadow. That's the height. And so yeah, now I'm just going to start putting some pieces in place to get everything shaped and uniform. And then we can trim and kind of go from there. Start building it organically. So yeah, awesome. Critically, first thing, it fits.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
As Bob Ross said to Elvis right before the spaceship took off, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents when building a pond. And he was absolutely right, of course, because it's Bob Ross. He was a freaking genius. So yeah, there are no mistakes. We're going to just start building it. You want to hide the edges. It's as simple as that. So yeah, I've trimmed it out, you know, starting to trim it out. There will be more. And I'm kind of going from one end to the other, you know, starting that way. I think that would be the wisest thing. But I think you've gotten the idea now, at least. Yes, no, maybe. And I'll make another video that's going to show it complete, but it's going to be a while. I carry water by hand in buckets from a well. And it sounds like a story, but it's not. It's true. So it's going to take me some time to fill this, even to a point to be able to even start playing with the waterfall. But I'd say, yeah, I'll get back to you in a week or so. Anyway, this is fun. I'm going to keep working. And if you want to build one, go for it. Make an awesome space. Talk to you later. Okay, one last parting shot because it's starting to come together. Can you see it?